I don't like going to the dentist at all, so I avoid things at all costs. So I had this bridge crown set for probably 10 years, and every dentist I went to kept saying, you have to get it out. It's starting to sink, starting to hurt every time I eat. So I ignore. And I didn't know implants were an option. I've never even heard of implants before at that time. So when I found this dentist, he took pictures to show me myself what was going on before, so I could actually see how much it had gone into the gum and realized how bad it was. And it's more of a permanent solution rather than to keep coming back because you're so anxious. So to keep coming back, getting the new bridge put on, the new crowns put on, he showed it to me as if to say, if you get this done now, this is gonna last you a really, really long time. And you're not gonna have any issues with it after. And it's stable. And he just had like pictures the whole time. It was just sort of a step-by-step. This is what your first appointment looks like, your second appointment. This is what we'll do. This is how we'll take them out. And it just put me at ease. You know, I always had to tell people ahead of time that I was anxious. So that's embarrassing too, because you feel like you're the only one that's worried about the dentist. So you have to give them this big spiel at the beginning. But this for me was freeing because they already knew how I was gonna be. And they gave me the little magic pill that made me feel better. And then as they were going along in the process, they told me, I'm doing this, I'm taking this out, I'm putting this in. And that's what you need when you're anxious and panicky. Since I've had my implants, I've noticed I can eat on that side again. I was avoiding eating on that side because things got stuck. It was hard to floss out. It was painful. The gums used to throb, and now I don't even notice anymore. It's just as if it's eating on that side again is just normal. Right from the beginning, I didn't have any feeling of it being foreign in my mouth. It just felt like my normal teeth.